Wow, if you go 2 hours.
Here we go.
My mom had one.
So now what I'm going to do is add a heat change. It's going to be, I'm going to add uneven heating. You can see nothing's happening, is it?
No.
Nothing's moving, nothing's going anywhere.
It's kind of moving.
Now, the way I'm adding uneven heating is I'm going to add some boiling hot water to this cup. And it's going to cause uneven heating. Now you'll notice this side of the container, pretend like that's the atmosphere, that's the air. This side of the container is hot.
So don't touch it.
Okay, now, excuse me, I just want you to watch really carefully. Watch the blue stuff on the bottom.
It's like lighting up.
What?
Sit down.
Damn.
Don't bump it. Don't touch the table. Get away from the table.
Pepperoni with sauce.
Thank you. Now just watch carefully.
It's moving to that side.
Yeah, it's floating.
It's flying.
Watch carefully. Don't bump the table and don't come right up here.
Andrew, he just said not to come up there.
Thank you.
Now I see. Bye, blue stuff.
Okay, now quiet. Quiet. Shh. Now raise your hand if you have an observation so far. Jasmine.
After you put
making
the
a
hot
jellyfish.
water underneath, it starts going up.
Starts going up. That's right. Now,
What starts going up?
I'm going to help it a little bit by...
Yeah, but she has to be specific. She just said after the
Here's what I'm going
water
to
on the side, it starts
do. You can see
going
how
up.
it's going
What's
up.
it?
Now,
Why is it going down?
how let me do? You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to make it a little bit more interesting.
That's just plain off.
This is a ice cube that is...
Green.
It's green.
And then
Okay, excuse me.
once they like go
I don't know if that'll work, but okay, I'm going to keep it right there. Okay, now,
let me move it.
there it goes. Okay, now you're going to see
It will collide.
you're going to see the green stuff go down.
It's turquoise.
But the green
Yeah. It looks like an ocean. Turquoise is pretty.
turquoise. It's not.
What are those things?
It's not.
Jellyfish.
It's going into a circle.
Okay, excuse me,
It's not
listen up.
turquoise, it's
Excuse me,
turquoise.
Will has an observation. What do you notice, Will?
It's going in a circle,
Okay, which way is it going? Can you see how it's going up this way,
Clockwise.
and then it's hitting.
and
the
then it
cold
hits the
ice.
top, the top gets cold, and then it gets cold and it drops back down.
And then the bottom.
Now listen up. It goes down here, it hits the hot part,
If you just watch that,
then it goes back up.
It's like a Ferris wheel.
It's a cycle,
It's a never-ending Ferris wheel.
and then it goes back down.
Oh, just go.
Okay, and then it goes back to my paperclip didn't work, but that's okay.
It's
So,
just, whoa. If you just stare at the ice, it looks funny.
so I just want to let it sit there for a second. See if we can. Don't bump the table.
The ice
You're
is
bumping the
bleeding.
table.
I'm not. I'm not touching it.
It's red and see it bleeding.
Okay, I want to look at it from the front.
It's great. Wait, what are you going to do the other cup? I'm not even touching the table. It looks so much cooler on this. I'm gonna watch
Instead of flipping the table, I'm going.
Okay,
That'd be cool if you could see the ice.
you can see the... It's called convection. Convection is a cycle of heat that goes up, it cools, goes down. Heats up, goes up, cools, heats down. Convection.
Convection oven.